Guys, welcome back to another episode of Living in the North. This is a new series that I am starting, documenting my life in the North and everything that I get up to. So in today's episode, I am doing a mini farm vlog where I went to the farm with my uncle and my cousin. So give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. Do not forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what it is that you thought about this video, and I will see you in my intro. Bye. Love this life. I love this life. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to Ndahafa, that girl from Monathinge's channel. We're actually heading to Omangeti. We're going to the farm. There's an auction. We're going to buy and sell some cows.
Oops. Almost ready to take off. On our way to Omangeti, where the Shondili auction plan takes place, a platform that allows farmers to sell their cattle to the highest bidder, starting at relatively low prices. Before the auction begins, prospective buyers are given the chance to view their cattle in close proximity and take note of their load numbers, a process that my uncle calls eye, or rather window shopping. After successful window shopping, we head over to the finance office. We register our bidding numbers, and my number was 16.
175.
Once you're identified as the highest bidder, you are issued with an invoice, which you present to the finance office to settle your total bill.
$8,000 aan 'n kwadryk, $1,000 kos ons IT. Op $8,000 as op $7,700. Op 6,700.
Can be a return on investment, as you can buy those that are in poor physical condition due to malnutrition, improve their condition and sell them at a higher profit margin. However, remember that every investment can result to a profit or loss.
7,000 op $9,000.
Well, it was the following day for me. Look at my view. Amazing. Loved it. Anyways, in today's agenda, there isn't much planned for the day, but rather preparing breakfast, cleaning, cooking lunch. Let me take you guys along in everything that we'll be doing for today.
She cracks an egg with her one hand.
Okay, so we are going to cook the porridge inside while the meat stays there. Guys, look at our meat. Let me show you.
Guys, look at strategy. Rain, filter, tank. Isn't this amazing?
So my cousin was in charge of cooking the porridge, right? And she left me with this one job. But in my defense, I don't really know how to cook porridge with the sokaruko. Like, I can't start a game with it. I need the other one. When she walked in, she asked, "So how is it going?" And I was like,
Here's a few things. Oh my goodness. Now that we are done, I'm trying to pack this back. And then I'm just gonna take back and put in the refrigerator. That back inside. I don't know how many. And lunch was served, and lunch was over, and lunch was had, and lunch was amazing. Did you enjoy your food? Let's make chess chomiak. Let's talk make chess chomiak. Chess chomiak.
the weather was giving, it's time to nap, it's time to relax. But I'm not really a fan of afternoon napping because I'm often scared of sleep paralysis. So instead, I decided to go take a shower.
Let me take a shower so that I can go get you some content.
Thereafter, I came outside and filmed my intro to this video. Looked at the view and went to disturb my cousin. She was actually asleep, so I went to wake her up so that we go for a afternoon walk, which she wasn't really a fan of. And I think we lasted like 2 minutes on that walk because immediately thereafter she was like, "No, I'm going back to sleep." Love it here. I love this life. I love this life. Love it. See you guys on the flip side. Moments later, we were back at it and we were busy working on the fence with the guys. And yeah, loved it because I was exploring again.
We have a roadblock. Yeah. Nice first, second choice. Anna.
Lastly, before heading out to Ndangwa, we just came to the kraal to view the kettle. They were busy getting branded. I just hope this investment works out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so please do give me a massive thumbs up if you did. Do not forget to leave me a comment and let me know what you think about kettle investments and if it's something that you would like to invest in. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Also, are you attending the next Shindili auction 10? I will be excited to see you there. till the next one. Bye. Look at that hand. Look at that babe. Look at that.